Hello. Today, we are working on a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE250d with a 2.1-liter diesel OM651 engine. This vehicle has several DEF-related faults caused by failed NOx sensors. However, these faults will not prevent us from performing a software removal of the DEF system. Using this vehicle as an example, we will show you the installation process step by step. If your vehicle has the factory-installed radio, your package will include a single OBD module. Now we will show you how to use it. Before starting the installation, there are two required steps. Fill the DEF tank completely and make sure the battery is fully charged. To charge the battery, start the engine and let it run for 30 minutes. The vehicle is now ready for installation. Turn the ignition on by pressing the engine start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. All warning lights on the instrument cluster should come on. Wait 20 seconds for the radio system to fully load. The OBD diagnostic port is located behind this cover to the left of the clutch pedal. Open the cover and locate the OBD connector. Carefully plug the device into the OBD port and press it in firmly to ensure a good connection. The LED should turn green. The device menu is controlled using the left, right, and star buttons on the radio. Every installation begins with step 1. Now select AdBlue block reset and wait for the process to complete. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition off again. Turn the ignition back on. Step 1 is now complete. Remove the device from the OBD port. Start the engine and check whether the starts remaining message has disappeared. If the warning remains, repeat step 1 up to 3 additional times. If the warning still remains, do not continue with the installation. Send us the log file for review. If there are no warnings on the instrument cluster, turn the engine off. You are now ready for step 2. Turn the ignition on and wait 20 seconds for the system to load. Plug the device into the OBD port again. In the menu, select Step 2. Depending on the services ordered, the script name may vary. Always select the option marked as Step 2. Wait for the installation to complete and follow the instructions shown on the radio screen. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Step 2 is now complete. Remove the device from the OBD port. Close the OBD port cover. Start the engine and check that everything is working properly. At this stage, The check engine light may still be displayed. This is normal. To remove the check engine light, the SCR control unit must be disconnected. The SCR unit is located in the luggage compartment on the right side. Remove the 2 plastic retainers and fold back the floor covering in the lower right corner. This will provide access to the SCR control unit. To disconnect the unit, rotate the locking lever on the connector and pull the connector out. The installation is now complete. The check engine light is gone, and the vehicle can be driven without any DEF-related restrictions.
You can place an order at OBDTune.com. Please be available. Our manager will contact you to confirm order details within a few hours. You can also ask us questions on WhatsApp or email. Technical support is available on WhatsApp and email only. Links and contacts can be found in the description.